Here's how to change your Facebook password in less than 2 minutes. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap on the 3-line profile menu icon in the top left corner. Next, expand Settings and Privacy down below. Then tap on Settings from the top. Inside Settings, tap on Account Center. Then select Password and Security. Here, tap on Change Password. Choose your Facebook account. Now, you have to enter your current Facebook password. If you forgot your current password, tap on the key icon on the keyboard. This will open the Passwords app after authentication. Find and select the Facebook account from the list. From the pop-up, select Use Password Once option. This will attach the password to the current password field. Next, type your new password. Make sure it is strong and secure. Re-enter the new password to confirm. If needed, choose whether to log out of other devices. Finally, tap on Change Password. Your Facebook password has now been changed successfully. And that's it.